Hi guys, I'm Lance Butler, and today we're going to do a tutorial for luster hair products. Let's go! So first off, I'm going to start off with the shampoo. So this is a Luster Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Shampoo. It's sulfate free. If you have a hard time with your dry scalp, this will help your scalp out from shampooing your hair. This doesn't strip your hair like a lot of shampoo does. It's actually natural and it's really, really good for your hair. You definitely got to try it out. It has shea butter, it has coconut oil, it has argan oil, olive, jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E, and provitamin B5s. Some of the great things to keep your hair strong and healthy. So you definitely gotta try this out. Let's see how it works on me. Let's go. So I just wet my hair. Now, when I usually wet my hair, I usually part it, but right now, I'm scratching my scalp because it's really, really dry right now. But next, I'm about to use the Moisturizing Shampoo. It's pretty simple to use overall. Like, just add a little quarter length of it to it. This also has no sulfates, silicones, mineral oils, paraffins, and animal proteins, or any type of chemicals in it. So, first you wet your hair. You can see my hair is really wet, moist. Then I add the shampoo. My hair is a little more longer, so I'm gonna add 2/4 to it. You gotta try to get through your scalp. Add a little more to the other side. Let's get the back now. And I'm done. So next thing I'm gonna do is leave it there for like 5 to 10 minutes and like massage my scalp with the shampoo, trying to make sure I get all the dandruff stuff off. This is a really good shampoo. I feel like the little tingling sensation in my scalp when I'm using this right now. Next, I'm gonna wash this stuff out, then add a conditioner. Step 1 is complete, guys. We're on to step 2. So we're actually gonna use a moisturizing and smoothing conditioner for luster and pink. So I'm gonna see how it is. The directions say leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes for a quick condition. For a long conditioner to keep your curls moisture, they said do 10 to 15 minutes. For me personally, I do 20 minutes, and I'm gonna definitely leave it in for like 5, 10, 20 minutes. And this also contains no mineral oils, no paraffins, no animal proteins, or any type of chemicals. So this is pretty dope overall for luster hair products. Let's check it out and see how it goes. Step 2 is complete. Now we're on to the moisturizing part, step 3. After you get done shampooing your hair, which is step 1, then you do step 2, condition it. Then step 3, and the final phase is the moisturizer. So this is a great moisturizer with Luster Pink. This is Super Moisture Curl Definer. It's a shea butter and coconut oil, and argan and safflower oil, and papaya and cola nut extracts. And it contains vitamin E, so it's really great for your hair. Let's see how this turns out in my hair. Let's go. This is the last product I'm doing with my hair. This is the moisturizer. This is the finished product. I could define a little bit more, but this is the quickest I was going to show you guys. Definitely check out Luster Hair products. Go to your local Walgreens, Walmart, and their website, which is the link below, to actually try their products. All right, guys? And actually, before you get out of here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is LansBTV. And actually follow me on Instagram, which is hustler_figure. Until next time, guys, I'm your host, Lance Butler. Peace.